My name is Mark Zukowski. I'm the CEO and founder of Hyperion New England. Everyone wants to know what I do here. What I believe my role is to motivate my employees to be as good as they can be at their job. Hyperion New England is a company that makes things that holds things, mixes things, stores things, clarifies things, separates things, purifies things, and finishes them to go into vials. And those things are biologics. All of our clients are in the biopharm industry of some kind, whether they're making vaccines or making some sort of drug product, and mostly all large molecule. We know what we do really matters to the people that we do it for. Our customers depend on our quality, our timely response, and delivering within a certain window of time. We are about to go into 2022, which will be our 20th year in business. There's already a joke here that we're going to rename Thurber Boulevard HPNE Boulevard because we have 3 buildings now. We refer to our buildings in Smithfield as 2, 25, and 14. 25 being the first building, 2 being the one we're standing in now, that we're in about 2 years now, and 14 the newest addition. If we start from the very beginning, I built the first 800 square foot clean room with credit cards. 25 Thurber is about 13,000 square feet and has an 890 square foot clean room. We took over 2, which is the one we're in, that's 32,000 square feet, and built a 2,800 square foot clean room. This is at the moment the flagship building. Until we acquired 14 down the street, it is going to triple our size as we triple in size. And 14 is 78,000 square feet, has a 8,000 square foot clean room being built in it, and has the ability to provide logistics for several different buildings. The minute you walk in the door, there's a 32-foot window that looks right into the clean room as you walk into the building. During construction, we've taken quite a few customers on a tour of 14, and the constant reverberating answer I get from everybody is, oh my goodness, I can't believe you're going to this trouble to make this way. Our scale and the growth of the next building is going to provide the ability to reduce delivery times. But we now have a chief scientific officer. Never dreamed that we'd have someone like that. We have 19 people in our quality department and a director of quality. We are going to make this company grow by reinventing ourselves. It gives me a great deal of pride to be standing here. It's been revolutionary what we've gone through.